As a last closing point, possibly, I don't know, unless you want to, maybe you want to outline something about some other law materials like notes, I don't know. Did you use them? Did you find them useful? The law notes?
Yeah, I use the notes, basically the notes and the lectures and the feedback from live recordings. Yeah, the only other notes that I used was probably my LPC notes where I wanted like in-depth explanation of the law, then I'll just add them. But I was also very careful because those were outdated. So I would actually also go back onto the notes on the academy to see any new laws that have come into place. Yeah.
This is one of the reasons as well that we have our revision lectures, because there are constantly updates as well. Even, we update our materials frequently, but even then there are these law updates that keep happening. Like, for example, the recent case of Mazur, the case that's made this very significant ruling in terms of who can conduct litigation. Very far-reaching decision. That's a big thing that we need to let everybody know about. So, we do these revision lectures every month.